Hi guys, welcome to Bike 1K. So, you find me on a Sunday morning, and the first order of business today is I've got to say thank you to you guys because the channel actually got to 100 subs this week. When I started this channel I didn't think I'd get one subscriber, apart from, well, maybe 3 or 4 family members, but I've actually got to 100 in just under 4 months. So I'm made up with that. Fantastic effort on your part. Hope you like the channel, hope you like what I do, and 100 subs I'm made up with. Next target obviously 1,000 subs. Alright, also I've got to give a shout out to another YouTuber called Exeter Rider. He gave me a bit of a spot on one of his videos that he did, channels he likes to watch, and I've got to say my subs went up by about 20 almost instantaneously. So Exeter Rider, you know who you are, thank you very much. If none of you guys have watched Exeter Rider, get yourself out there and watch some of his videos. Made an amazing motorcycle turntable in his driveway at home. Highly recommended, guys. So, order of business today, what's the plan? So, I've done about 5,000 miles on the old Deauville now, and I've noticed that my elbows stick in the mirrors a bit. So I didn't really want to change the actual mirror itself, so I've been looking around, and after quite a bit of searching I found a company in Hungary that make these mirror spacers. Okay, hard plastic, and they just fit between the mirror and the fairing and space them out 30mm on each side. That 30mm should just give me enough room to miss the elbows in the mirrors. So fantastic. So they came fairly quickly, guys. They came in a little box like so. It says Hungary on the front of the box, and inside the box you get the 2 plastic spacers. You also get some hardware. You get 4 bolts and 4 washers, and the bolts are like extension bolts obviously. And you also get an instruction sheet which is in English, well written English as well, has got to be said. Alright, but it's not very comprehensive. Alright, the one thing it does tell you is that these 2 plastic bits are sided. So that little dimple that you can see there denotes that this one is for the left side of the bike. The one on the right side obviously hasn't got it. So this is a video of me fitting these, and I'll show you the before and after as well if I can. Alright then guys, so standard mirrors, if we measure them across the width like that, and I know it's not scientific because it's got the curve of the screen going around that, but if we measure it the same distance all the time, we should get an accurate enough reading. Alright, so as you can see there, fellas, yeah, we're coming in at about 34 inches there. Alright, so when we put these 2 spacers in, and they go about there roughly, alright, when we put the 2 spacers in, that's obviously going to extend them mirrors out by 30mm on each side. See if they are 30mm. There you go, 30mm, guys. Well, it's actually about 32mm, but call it 30mm. Alright, so 30mm on each side. So they'll go in there like so, 1 on each side, and just extend them out. So to get to the mirrors, which are fastened under here, I've got to remove the infill panel for the fairing. Now obviously I've got the electrics fastened on this side, phone holder on that side, so I've got to be cautious of that. But basically remove that bolt there, remove that bolt in there, and then this panel should lift out, and I should have access then to the other bolts there. Same on the other side. Alright then guys, so that's the infill panels taken out. Obviously I haven't taken that side out all the way because all the wiring. So that's the back of me plug. You see I've got them marked. This lead here, come off, goes onto there, and just hang that on there. So the 2 bolts I'm after are these 2 bolts here, and the same on the other side. Alright, so if I undo them 2 bolts now, the mirror should come loose, and then it's just a case of finding the fittings. So the 2 bolts here, there and there, 10mm socket. Don't forget guys, hold on to your mirror. Sorry, all you can see is the top of my head, guys. So I'm going to take the lower one, the front one, off first, I think. Right, there you can see, little 10 mil bolt, no washer on it. Hold on to the mirror, because the last thing you want is that to drop on the floor and smash. Just be careful guys when you're twisting this, it does move the fairing about a bit, so don't put too much force on. Try and support it with the mirror as best you can. The last thing you want to do is crack your fairing. So I'm going to lose the extension bit, go back to the ratchet. So I've just lost the extension, gives me a bit more control over it. There you go. It's still a bit, so I'll just pull the rubber up. There you go, it's coming out. And there we have it guys. That's your two bolts there. That's cool. So I'll give them a bit of a clean up. I'll put some copper slip on them, just so they don't get rusty or anything. Where's the one with the dimple in? Remember, the one with the dimple in, just there, is the left side mirror. So it's going to go something like that. Like that. So that's how it's going to look. So that's alright. Not sure how far that comes down though. So I think I might pull the rubber back over now. So this rubber just slides down like so. And you've just got to hook it over. Look, see how it's just hooked over there? Just so it doesn't come back. There you go, just like so. And then I've got my one with the dimple in. So you've got large holes one side, small holes the other side. So it goes like that. So it's going to be like that on the bike. Alright. See that? Just the large holes over the two holes like that. Job's a good one. Alright guys, so I put some copper slip on. So these are the little extenders. So that screws onto there. Like so. All the way down, nipped up. And then that goes through the hole on the outside of the fairing. Alright guys, so that's the other one on. Right, so if you remember guys, last time it was 34 inches. We'll measure it the same. Guys, you can see where my markers look. I'll move my finger right on the 3 feet, 36 inches. Right, so you can see it there and there. So they've actually raised them a little bit and brought them out. And they've brought them out 3 inches. 2 and a bit inches. Alright, so now when we sit on the bike, now, I can just see my mirror, my elbows in the very, very nearest edge of the mirror. Whereas before they were kind of about there, now they're about there. So when you look at it like that, definitely worth doing. Quite an easy fit, effectively 4 bolts. It's just what you've got to take off to get to it. Well happy with that. Really, really good mod to do. Just these little things here, nice and solid. The mirrors not going anywhere. There you go, having a look at them. A little bit closer up, guys. See how they work. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video for today. You can see, nice easy mod. I'll let you know in the next couple of days how it works. Say they're nice and solid, definitely worth doing. Alright, well thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, if you want to know when I'm putting a video out, it's normally every Sunday, normally. I think I've missed 1 week so far where I didn't put a video out. That's because I had family down and things like that. I didn't have a chance. But every Sunday I tend to post a new video. Don't hold me to that though, because life gets in the way. But yeah, like, subscribe if you don't do, hit that notification, that bell thing, and it'll tell you when I'm putting a new video out. But thanks for watching. If you've got any comments, by all means stick your comments on, I'll answer them. If anybody wants a link, I'll put a link in the comments below as to where I got them. I think they were about £26 or something like that. Yeah, £26 something. Took about 4 or 5 days to come here from Hungary, which is pretty damn good really. Excellent guys, thanks very much for watching. Till the next time.